Remember when you were a little kid and you ate the cereal, the sugar cereal?
No, my mom never bought it.
I never got it either. But if I stayed the night at a friend's house.
That's right.
That's the only time I ever got to have it. Thank you. So you go over to your friend's house and you have the whatever sugar cereal it was.
The Pop-Tarts and the crunchy sugar cereal.
At the end, when you got done eating the cereal, you had all that sugar milk with that great flavor.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we make a milkshake out of that at Chicken Guy.
Oh
so here's what happened. I took the cereal and soaked it in some milk.
Oh, it's literally soaked cereal.
It's soaked cereal.
This is brilliant. And then you take the cereal milk to make the milkshake.
There you go. So we'll put some of that milk in there.
I get it. Can I scoop the ice cream?
Oh, please. You're going to be way better.
I was.
Whoa! It's a party.
Whatever.
Okay.
I was a fountain girl. At Howard Johnson's.
Okay.
And I'm very good at scooping ice cream.
Very nice. Okay, so we got some of the sugar. I don't know the ratios. I'll get it all messed up here. We'll put a little bit more of the sugar cereal milk in there.
That'll be fine.
We've got a top here somewhere. Now, the beauty of this to not make a mess.
Yeah.
Hold on, Rachel.
Is it plugged in?
I don't know. There we go.
Oh, there you go.
Okay. Now, this is where it gets, right when it gets done mixing up.
Right.
We'll go ahead and throw some of the cereal, some of your favorite cereal in.
Ah.
Okay? That'll add a little bit of that crunch, a little bit of that texture.
Wow.
But then when I think I'm hanging out with Rach and I'm thinking, you know what, this one time when we were in Italy, I think we should probably put some booze in it.
No,
so how about a little marshmallow vodka? And then a little cinnamon to, for the cereal.
You know,
I know.
You were like, oh, air-fried, healthy fried chicken. That's nice. Nothing. Crickets. He throws Fireball and marshmallow vodka into a milkshake. You're like, wow!
Yeah, we have to just to finish it. We have made such a mess over here.
Yeah.
All right, so this goes on top. Sprinkles on top. Oh, hang on, wait a second.
Whipped cream first.
Whipped cream first.
Oh my God.
There we go, on top.
There we go.
There's a clean up an aisle something.
Oh my God. Get your straw.
Cheers.
Oh, cheers.
Now you tell me.
Oh my God.
It tastes just like the cereal when you were a little kid when you got to stay at your friend's house.
Except when you're done with this bowl of cereal, you will have several more hairs on your chest.